Today is, I think, almost in the world. It is in the 50th year. It has given name and fame to the group of SRM. Today in this state or throughout the country, it has created a wonderful name within the short span of 4.5 years. We are doing this thing. We can go for IPO or something like that. Now we are going to inaugurate our robotics center in our institution. I have seen personally Dr. Badri is there, and I was with Dr. Bose on that day and our team. I saw how the surgery was going on. Really, it's wonderful the way they do it, the accuracy we get on the operations. Really, it's technology is growing, and we have to use it in the right sense that our team is doing. Now we are going to inaugurate with this field.
May I request our Honorable Chief Guest, Padma Shri Kapil Dev Ji, to kindly come back to the dais. May I request our Honorable Chief.
Morning, Happy New Year. All the intelligent people, doctors, friends, mostly media people. I'm a little worried about media people, what they say and what they write. But thank you very much for inviting me, giving me this opportunity to become a little more knowledgeable about your own body. The athlete, they just have to shape up a little bit more with the technology help, and I could have been all right. Had this technology there, I would have played another 5 to 7 years cricket. I'm disappointed why you come so late. I could have definitely played more cricket or done better things. I had 4 knee surgery, luck and carry on playing cricket, but how they have to bowl, where they pitch, what is the weak point, what is the good point. But I think technology is good, but behind the technology, the person is more important. I never ever believe technology can improve you until unless the doctor behind that or the people who are working behind that can be really put things at the right place. And I can say that definitely I need another knee surgery, or maybe knee replacement where I can run again, or I can play golf again. I still play, but not so much because knees start hurting. But I must say that to you people, all of you, well done. You started, the beginning is happening here in Chennai, which I always call Madras. It's wonderful. I hope you can look after the people who need it. But so many people need knee replacement. A little worry about that. I think we have to be good. We have to look after ourselves. The last thing I expect people go to the hospital. The last thing. I think one shouldn't go to the hospital if you look after your life properly. But if problem comes, the doctors are there. And that's very good. And I want to wish you and to your entire organization all the best, good luck. But have a complaint, you should have been here 30 years back. And again, Happy New Year, and wish everybody this year we bring more happiness, good health, where we shouldn't reach to the hospital. If at all goes, there are a lot of intelligent doctors sitting here who can look after you. thank you once again inviting.
Very happy New Year. What a nice way to start New Year with a meaningful day. I'm very honored to be here. You must be wondering what's the connection between me and a robotic knee surgery replacement. No, I have not had my knees replaced. Actually, the bond with SIMS is not of a joint, it's of the heart. The most important person to us in all our lives is our mother. And I brought my mom here almost 2 years ago to replace her knee. She did one of her knee replacements in Mumbai. And to be very frank, even though the media is there, she was not happy. So she decided to do the second one in Chennai. And when I got her here and we chose SIMS Hospital, Dr. Suryanarayanan, Dr. Ashok, and definitely the person who made it very smooth, Prema. So these are few names that I can just immediately recollect. There were many of them, it was an entire team. And it was the most beautiful experience. Why I'm saying this, why I'm genuinely saying this is that because everything about the hospital, it's not, I mean, every doctor knows the craft, every doctor knows how to replace a knee. But it's the special care, the care post-surgery, which matters the most. Small example of very small things which make a difference. One being the beds. As they asked me to come for this function, I said, "Sir, I want to be here for this." And I just got back last night from my New Year vacation with children and family, but I really wanted to be here for this because my mom is a free-willed person, and she's been, after her knee surgery, she has been roaming the world. And two things she doesn't want to give up is roaming and seeing the world and her sweets. She's highly diabetic, but these two things she doesn't want to give up, and she's having a blast. Another very important reason why I said that I connect as it's a heart connection is my husband runs a foundation for education. Thank you, Dr. Ashok mainly, and Dr. Suryanarayanan, who's not here today. And Kapil sir, half the reason why I'm here is also because of you. Huge fan. Thank you so much. Thank you, Manu.